Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sign out of all your devices on Netflix. So you're going to go to the account section of your profile. Then you are going to you're going to go to devices. Go to access and devices here. Then you're just going to select sign out of all devices here, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And this video is about how you can sign out of all devices on Netflix. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!